Welcome to the next generation of material testing with the Utest rolling thin film oven, expertly engineered to determine the resistance of bituminous binders and asphaltic materials to hardening. Designed to flawlessly simulate the short-term aging of asphalt binders, this state-of-the-art device combines a precisely heated, high-grade stainless steel chamber with constant, moisture-free airflow over rotating films of bitumen. Through the centrally positioned observation window, enhanced by clear internal chamber lighting, operators can visually monitor the entire test process without disturbing the temperature stability. Driven by a programmable digital PID controller for ultimate thermal regulation, the device guarantees highly accurate and repeatable results. Most importantly, the Utest rolling thin film oven operates under CE safety directives and strictly adheres to the rigorous international testing standards of EN and ASTM. Manage tests through the 7-inch touchscreen. Directly below are the USB port for data transfer and the main switch. At the base, the airflow meter and air pressure regulator unit guarantee precise, moisture-free airflow. Loading your prepared bitumen samples is both safe and effortless. The glass tubes slide easily into place, secured firmly by the carrier's internal spring mechanism. By using the dedicated sample carrier button on the digital interface, operators can seamlessly rotate the holder into the perfect loading position. Once all your samples are safely installed, simply close the furnace door securely and press Start from the main test menu to automatically initiate the precise aging sequence. The sample carrier rotates at 15 plus or minus 0.2 revolutions per minute, while the circulating fan ensures uniform temperature distribution across all samples. The test menu serves as the main operating screen for the device. From this intuitive interface, operators can clearly see all test parameters, monitor real-time furnace conditions, and instantly start the automated aging process. For complete operational control, the comprehensive settings menu provides access to all essential device configuration functions. This intuitive interface features 4 dedicated sub-menus tailored to your laboratory needs. In the Test and Specimen menu, operators can define specific sample information and establish exact test parameters. The System Check sub-menu allows you to manually verify the status of crucial internal components before testing begins. Additionally, you can adjust your preferred temperature scales within the unit system settings. And easily configure the device's wireless network connection through the Wi-Fi manager. Ensuring exact measurement accuracy is effortless with the secure calibration menu, accessed via a dedicated passcode. Here, operators can clearly view live temperature readings, the currently applied offset, and the timestamp of the last calibration. The Utest rolling thin film oven is supplied complete with 8 standard glass containers. To ensure perfect mechanical balance during rotation, any unused positions must be filled with empty bottles, even when testing fewer samples. The Utest rolling thin film oven delivers the perfect combination of precision, safety, and intuitive control for your advanced asphalt testing needs. Engineered to strictly comply with EN and ASTM standards, it is the ultimate choice for guaranteeing accurate and highly repeatable short-term aging simulations. Elevate your laboratory's material testing capabilities today. Utest material testing equipment. Quality you can measure.